and I'm 6, and I'm Sara, and I'm 4. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a jumping bunny out of paper. Step 1. Cut 2 1-inch paper strips. Step 2. Glue the strip ends together. Step 3. Fold each strip in opposite directions. Step 4. Glue ends and cut off excess. Step 5. Draw a bunny head or 2 or 3. Final step, fold a paper strip and glue on head to body. Finish! Now you can play with your bunny and you can bounce him around. You can do anything you want with him. You can also make more friends for him. You can colour your bunny whatever colour you want.
Colour.
Look at all my jumping bunnies! You can have so much fun with these paper crafts. Hop, 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 bunnies! Hop, 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 bunnies! Hop, hit the bunny, hop, 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 hit the bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hit the bunny, hop, 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 hit the bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hoppity, hoppity, hop! Bouncy boats, I'm making a boat full of rabbits. Boaty boat, I'm I'm making a boat full of rabbits and bread. Eat your bread, Mrs. Bye, everyone. Bye, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.